Welcome back to the channel. I'm just making this quick video on this piece of mail I received from Kawasaki. It looks like it is a recall for my new Exmark X Series radius. It's a 60-inch deck. It's got the 31 horsepower Cowie in it. It looks like they're saying that there is a part that is faulty on the engine, and I should contact my dealer to get it replaced. So I'm gonna call my dealer here shortly, but I just wanted to talk about this whole topic. So the Exmark X Series, this is the first year that it's come out. It's the newest model for the X Series, for the radius, and that's usually what happens when you buy the first model or the first year of a model, just like a factory truck. Same thing. It's kind of a pain in the ass because you're kind of still going through the bugs with the company. It looks like the part is nothing to be worried about. It looks like it's like a 10-15 minute fix, but at the moment my mower is in the trailer with the battery off up front at the front of the trailer. Both mowers have their batteries out, so there's no really getting it out until springtime. So I don't know if I can schedule something for springtime for them to fix it, and I'm sure that the factory wants the dealer to replace it and not me, the purchaser. So we'll have to give them a call and see what they say and see if they even know anything about it, because they may have not even let them know about it. But just want to let you see some of the head pains and the growing pains you go with a company that puts out a model for the first time. So let's give them a call and see how that goes.
To speak to the operator, press 0 anytime. For service, press 1. For sales, press 2. For all your lawn and garden needs, please press 3. It's Kennedy Tractor. This is Daryl. How can I help you?
Hi Daryl, my name is Devin. I bought a Exmark X Series radius from you guys probably like August, and I received a letter in the mail from Kawasaki saying that there's like a part that it needs to be replaced on it, just like a recall. I was wondering if I could schedule a time to get that in there.
Yep, we don't have that part yet. Actually, there was just an email to be able to order them yesterday.
Yep.
So what I'm going to do is, once those parts come in, I will have Josh give you a call and we'll get that in here. Okay, and so I was also going to ask if I could do it closer to springtime, because right now both my mowers are in the enclosed trailer, kind of parked in the out of the way. Oh, absolutely. We'll once we get the part in, I will have Josh reach out to you and we'll get the schedule.
All right, sounds good.
Okay.
All right, thanks Daryl.
You're welcome.
All right, have a good day. Bye.
You too.
Well, they knew about it, and they just haven't gotten the parts in yet, so just kind of a pain having to deal with that kind of stuff with a brand new mower. You'd like everything to go smoothly, but it doesn't always work out like that. But just wondering if you guys would want me to actually do a review on the Exmark X Series radius 60-inch 31 horsepower Cowie, because I really love the mower, and it's fast, it cuts well, it doesn't clog up. I have an E Series radius, and that one's got a 24 horse in it, and that one clogs like nobody's business when it's wet grass, and that 31 horsepower Cowie just spits it right out and doesn't even clog at all. The deck's a lot bigger than my other one, which is nice. Cuts down a lot of mowing time. The tires are really nice and knobby and fat, so that you don't get stuck very often. I think I've gotten stuck with that thing once, and I was in an area that you shouldn't be mowing. It's really swampy, but I just wanted to try it out and kind of put it to its limits. But if you'd like to see one of those videos, or just a video on a review for the Exmark, just put a comment down below, and like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to share your feedback in the comment section. I always like to read those. Yeah, so we'll wait until the dealer calls me back, and maybe I'll do an update video on it once everything gets repaired. See you later.